delivered extraordinary work with the Open Kitchen Cocolong 2021 and 2021 and 2020. And she's a hardworking person. I admire her determination and audace. Today, with Paramita, we will explore personal and the famous role model in her life in general. It's over to you, Paramita. And
Thank you, Hanan. Hello, guys. I hope you all are enjoyed it. And I'm really appreciate that you are staying with us very long time and motivated us is really appreciable. So before I start,
Paramita,
Paramita,
you're on mute. Could you unmute yourself? Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
need to start again. Let me introduce myself that my name is Paramita Rahab. I'm from Bangladesh and have been living in the UK last 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years. So today on the International Women's Day, we are celebrating our Women's Day. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I am presenting who is my role model and inspirations. Before I start, I need to share my PowerPoint. My role model and inspiration, I am sharing that don't be afraid to be unique. That is my opinion. And one life can be inspired. Yeah. What do you think? Can I have the next slide, please? Yeah. Many of us have role model in our life, and to most people, their role model is either an athlete or cricketers or footballers or even on movie stars. But to me, my role model is really much more. And who is someone work in backgrounds, both is selflessly and tirelessly to bring up their children and support others' family members to be successful in their life by sacrificing their own life. So this is a really important for me to thinking about why I am choosing the role model for my life. Can I have the next slide, please? Yeah. Who is your role model? Yeah, we need to go to the breaking room and you can tell us who is your role model and why. So I'm really excited to know about who is the role model and why.
Okay, thank you, Paramita. The question, who is your role model? Then in break rooms, Claire?
Yeah,
Yes.
so I'm just putting the question in the chat there. So who is your role model?
Yes.
And you will be going into breakout rooms. Please share your ideas. And Paramita will be asking you afterwards.
Yes.
And perhaps you can write it in the chat. Okay, so when you see a sign just saying join, just click join, introduce each other and share your ideas.
Thank you.
Thank you back, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys discussed a lot of stuff, a lot of topic. Who is your role model and why? Oh, I just missed it. Yeah. Can I have the next slide, please? Yeah, for me, my role model is perfect role model is for me, my mother. Yeah, she is my role model. She never judged me on my past action, and instead only try to help me with whatever she can. Sometimes only by being a good listener or sometimes being a good friend. She is a wonderful human being and she's smart, wise, ambitious, and patient and lovely person. And I know every mother is same. Every child has the same feeling for their mother. But why she is inspired me and motivated me without any barriers is really hats off to my mom, because parents always try to be a role model for their children, by being a good friends or good people, good humble or friends. So yeah, that's why I'm choosing my mother as being a role model. Can I have a next slide, please? Yeah. To my mother, now I'm thinking that I am a very positive person and also creative person, who believe life is what you create to be. And I also know, if I have make any big decision in my life, or I need a big decision in my life, to take a big decision in my life, definitely I can ask my mom to give me advice, because she has the experience and wisdom. And I'm glad that my mother always be there to share with me and listen to me, when I fall to some things, even it's a silly matter. I know she always support to me and motivated me, and definitely raised me up again and again. So I'm really glad that my mom always stay with us and always listen to me what I'm talking about and what is my problem, and always help me and motivated me, and always support me, whatever I did or wrong or not. So I'm glad that she always here for me. I think every mother has same feelings for their children, but for me, I am very fond of my mother's everything. So definitely for me, I'm really grateful that she is here for me. And I'm really grateful for her, that because sometimes I feel that I can't imagine a world without her. But now my mother is not well. Sometimes I feel one day, if I don't see her longer, or I can listen to her voice again, what would I do? Definitely is horrible feelings to me to say that. But I can wish that if they stay with us forever, it will be really grateful for God. I think so. So can I have the next slide, please? Yeah. What are the quality of role model that inspire you? Sorry, I'm sorry. What are the quality of role model that inspire you? Yeah, we are going to the again breaking room, and you can discuss us what is the quality of role model that should be inspire you and why. And I'm here to listen what the quality you are really inspired. So yeah, go to the breaking room and discuss with us.
Okay,
Yes.
so going back in, I'll
Yes.
put you into different breakout rooms, and just discussing what those qualities are. Okay, just about 4 minutes for this one, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
Same quality I have find my mother. So I will share with you what quality I saw in my mother become a role model, and why she inspired me quite a lot. Can I have a next slide, please? Yeah, here is the quality of role model that should be inspire me quite a lot. And not only this one, there's several quality I have find, but in my thinking, this quality is really really inspired me quite a lot. That her passion and ability to inspire the others persons, and the clean setup of value. She is a very perfect setup with her values, and also selflessness. and the ability to persist in the different circumstances. She is the perfect mother. She knows how to difficult situation to control. So I think she is the perfect quality she had. And her integrity and forgiveness. She's the perfect mother because the role model have to this all quality is become a she or he become a role model. So my mother, I find out all this quality that she become a role model for my life, and always she inspired me quite a lot. And her forgiveness make me always that next time if I am become a mother, then definitely I will do same things what I saw in my mothers. So yeah, that's all quality I saw in my mothers, and it's all quality inspire me. Maybe I will continue in my life same things. Yeah. Next slide, please. Do you know who they are? I have a one question and give you 1 minute. If you know, you can write down on your chat or you can loud your speak. Do you know who they are? These 3 women. If you know, please write down on your chat name of these women and you can speak out. I will give you 1 minute. Your time start now. Yeah.
Oh, it's Nina.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Someone got this one. Yes.
yeah.
Impressive.
And Aya.
And
as
another
well.
2. Okay. It's okay. If you don't know, then I will have to here to discuss about 3 women. Why I choose these 3 women? Because they are really incredible and they are such a strong woman. That's why I'm choosing these 3 women. And before I go to talk about these 3 women, why they are inspiring me quite a lot, I need to talk about what is the inspiration for me. Can I have a next slide, please? Yeah. For me, inspiration means some things or someone who is inspiring you, exciting, and make you feel very stronger and interested and enthusiastic. I think this all of things inspire you quite a lot. And these omens are really inspire me, all this quality, all this excitement, all this feel strong. That's why I am feeling that, yeah, they are really inspiring me quite a lot. Can I have a next slide, please? Yeah, someone got this first lady. Her name is Rosa Parks. Yeah. Why I choose Rosa Parks? Yeah. Why I choose Rosa Parks? Because she became an overnight figurehead for the civil rights movement in the USA. So that's why I choose Rosa Parks. Before we discuss about Rosa Parks, I need to short summary why I Rosa Parks summary descriptions. On December 1, 1955, Rosa Parks, a 42 years old African American seamstress, refused to give her seat on the white passenger on the Montgomery City bus. What's a shame, right? It's a really shame. But her single word, that is, no, I'm not. She doesn't live their seat. So her fairness or rejection for racial segregations made her the fearless first lady of civil rights. She's the first Black lady who talk about the Black Lives Matter and really fight for them. And the day she was arrested will be forever known as the Rosa Parks Day. So first day she was arrested, 1st December, but people are celebrating 4th of February is the Rosa Parks Day. Actually, we all are know the why she are fighting for the Black Lives Matter, but the way she fighting, the way she talk about, she's a really breathful girl. And that's why I'm thinking on the International Women's Day, why don't we can talk about her fighting, her motivations as a woman she did. Yeah, that's why I'm choosing Rosa Parks Day. And she is a brave girl. And can I have a next slide, please? And then my next choice is Mary Wollstonecraft. I hope you guys don't know who is Mary Wollstonecraft, but British white people definitely know who is Mary Wollstonecraft. Mary Wollstonecraft is the first English British writer who advocated for the women equality. So when she left her father home because of father abuse her, and she dedicated herself to become a writer. And she's the first feminist and the intellectual, was born on 27 of April 1759 in London. Mary and her sister and her friends established a school, and her experience of school teaching, and she wrote a pamphlet that was is thought of the education of daughter. Why I choose Mary Wollstonecraft? Because Mary Wollstonecraft, she is the first British person who actually talk about the women's right. So this is a hats off that 1759, that time she actually thinking about the women's right. So it is really incredible. So I think she deserves to, everybody deserves to know who is she. She is a very good writer and also a feminist writer and also an intellectual. And she participated in educational reform and giving women access to the same educational process opportunity for as men. If man got the opportunity, why not the woman got? She is the first lady who actually wrote about her novel, her writing, everything that women should be deserved to same opportunity does as man. So I think she's the incredible woman that that time she thinking about that woman's right. She wrote a lot of books like Maria and The Wrong of Women, but the famous book is Vindications of the Right of Women. That is really a famous book for she actually published, and she actually people know about who is Mary Wollstonecraft. Yeah. And my next slide, please. Yeah, I know everybody doesn't know who is she. She actually in my country, women who actually fight for our country, and her name is Taraman Bibi. On 10 December 1956 was born a freedom female fighter who was fighting to give us a victory for language and also a country. Everybody now know the country of name is Bangladesh. Actually, she fighting for Pakistan that time or Bangladesh. She was fighting for victory for language and countries. And she had engaged in direct combat during the Liberation War of Bangladesh in 1971 as a member of Mukti Bahini. Mukti Bahini means that time they have a lot of work and several sectors has, but women sector should be the name of Mukti Bahini. And liberal wards, that calls liberal wards. And she was hired by the Mukti Bahini as a help cook and clean the camp when she was 16. She was in sector 11 under the leadership of sector commander Abu Tahir. After the war in 1971, she was awarded for Bir Pratik. Bir Pratik means the award for the valuable, your values, by Bangladesh government in 1973. But her whereabouts were unknown. The government never hand over her awards. So it's really shameful that government don't find out. But when she think that it's 19 December 1995, she thought about that. She fight for all the country's people, and she fight for freedoms. Why not she don't take it? That time, 19 December 95, she was taken her award by Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia, who that time she is in our country's Prime Minister, and she take her award for Brave Pratik. But after that, nobody can find out is she okay or not, is she living well or not. The government doesn't matter. It's really shameful for my country that government actually don't care about the soldiers who are actually fighting for us and giving us a new language and giving us a freedom country. So it's really shameful. But for me, I choose because as a 16 years old, if the girl think about that, if she fighting for country and giving us a new language, that time maybe if I will be that, definitely I'm not a courage person that she did. So definitely hats off to Taraman baby. She really did well, and she is a really brave girl, woman that give an example for us, every woman, that how to fight for your country, how to fight for your language, how to fight for freedom. So that's why I choose Taraman baby. And for her, in my opinion, she's the person who make a difference in our country. Yeah. Can I have a next slide, please? Yeah. Why do this women inspire me? Yeah, there is a lot of person inspire me, but these three women inspire me quite a lot, and there has similar quality that's really touch my heart. That's confidence and leadership. They are really hats off, and they show respect the others women and concern about the others people as well at the same time. And the positive attitude, hardworking and optimistic, really, really appreciable. And their hope, they give us a lot of hope that now we are women, we are celebrating Women's Day, and now we are standing by own foots. So all those women are really give us a lot of hope, and their determinations and compassion and positive development in their mind, like Mary Wollstonecraft in 1759. That time she actually thinking about women's opportunity. This is a really positive development in that time. If she think that women can do everything, so definitely we are now doing everything actually. So, and freedoms, most important thing is freedoms. Women's freedom is really most important.
Sorry, you're on mute, Paramita. Could you unmute yourself? Sorry.
Paramita.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. These three women actually inspire me, and because of they give us lot of hope and their determinations and the positive mind. And most important thing is freedom, because women's freedom is really matter at first for me. If women don't have freedom, then you can't you can improve your positivity. And these three women give us all those quality that should be inspire me. And definitely another woman I can show with you, because I don't have a time to put in her name. Her name is Tanima Imam. I actually reading this book, and I am not finished yet actually, but when I start this reading a book, I actually find the similar quality that's the Rosa Parks and Mary Wollstonecraft and Tharaman Bibi, then I'm thinking why I don't put her name in their quality. That's really inspired me. And this old lady, such a incredible person, and give us a lot of hope that now we are here to celebrate our Women's Day. And yeah, thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me. And really thankful to all of you that you are here, stay with us very long time and motivated us. And we are celebrating our Women's Day. And before I go, I need to thank Claire and Carolina, Hafsa, Hanan, all those women who are now motivated us. Really, we are all women. We are not celebrating one day, we are celebrating every day, Women's Day. So thanks for all these women who actually motivated me and inspired me quite a lot that I am presenting now. So it's really helpful for me. Thank you guys.
Oh, thank you, Paramita. Thank you. Thank you so much for your knowledgeable presentation.